Get ready, Toronto! The 2025 OVMA conference is here, and it's bringing the best in veterinary innovation and expertise right to your doorstep. GerVetUSA will be there to showcase our precision-engineered veterinary instruments. Trusted worldwide, we're redefining excellence in veterinary care. Visit us at booth number 110 to explore our advanced surgical tools, designed to improve your practice's efficiency and precision. Watch our instruments in action during live demonstrations, which will showcase our cutting-edge tools that deliver exceptional results. Enjoy exclusive discounts and special offers, available only at the OVMA conference. Don't miss this opportunity. Talk to our team of professionals to gain expert advice and tailored recommendations. Let us help you take your practice to the next level. So join us from January 30th to February 1st in Toronto. Visit GerVetUSA at booth number 110 and discover what's next in veterinary excellence.